How to learn interior design online for free. Learning interior design online has never been more accessible. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, there are incredible free resources available to you. Start by exploring basic concepts, color theory, space planning, lighting, and materials. You can find these in online blogs, YouTube tutorials, and beginner-level design courses offered by design schools. One of the most powerful tools you can use in your learning journey is Homestyler. It's a free online design software that allows you to put theory into practice. Want to try space planning? Homestyler lets you drag and drop walls, furniture, and decor into a 2D or 3D environment. This visual feedback helps you understand design in action. Plus, there's no need to worry about downloading software. Homestyler runs directly in your browser. You can create full layouts, experiment with lighting and textures, and even render photorealistic views, all for free. For students or self-taught designers, it's a must-have tool. If you want to explore this platform, the link is in the description. Use it to begin your design practice today. It's a fun, intuitive way to build your skills while you learn online. Try replicating real rooms or take part in Homestyler's design challenges for extra practice. By combining free educational content with interactive design tools like Homestyler, you can fast-track your learning and start building a real portfolio, even before you take your first professional job. The future of interior design education is online, and it's waiting for you to jump in.